Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So if you haven't been through the tool section at Walmart recently, it may just surprise you. There have been a lot of changes. Not only have they kicked hard to the curb, they also brought in Greenworks, and they have doubled down on Hyper Tough. And as you can see here, they have definitely improved the quality of packaging. It definitely is much more appealing, and it almost seems as though that they have improved the quality of the tool as well, and that's merely by visual inspection. I don't know that for a fact, but it certainly seems as though. And I went through and I picked out a few items that I thought would be great for EDC, and I have all these here, and I'm very excited to show them off to you. So let's take a look at everything I picked out from the new and improved tool section at Walmart. So these knives here, it is a 2-pack, 4-in-1 multifunction utility knives, and we get the quick change blade system or mechanism, built-in bottle opener and bit driver, built-in ruler, belt clip, and accepts standard utility blades, and there are 2 included, and you get that pocket clip right there. So really excited about checking these out using my snap-on knife here. So it is a plastic handle or case, where the previous one was a metal case, but it definitely seems a lot lighter than the previous version. Is it new and improved? I would say it's definitely new. It's definitely a lot lighter, definitely something that would EDC a lot easier because it's plastic and lighter. That blade change is nice and smooth. We have that bottle opener. I don't know how many bottles you can open with plastic, but you never know. I mean, it's not like I'm opening a lot of bottles. We have the metric ruler right there, as well as the imperial right there. It almost looks like there's a ball detent in there where it will capture. Hey, look at that. It will actually capture that bit. I haven't seen too many tools like this that has that feature right there. Normally it pushes all the way through. You have to hold it in with your finger. So that is definitely a new and improved feature, and I'm liking that. So I think I would give this a 7 out of 10. And the only reason is that plastic. I don't know how long that will hold up. But for $9.97, it's not a bad deal. And you get 2 of them. Next item is going to be the Hyper Tough permanent markers. And these came in at $1.88 for the 2-pack, and you get a red and blue one, or red and black. Includes black marker and red marker. Doesn't say how long you can leave the cap off before it dries out. I know both Milwaukee and others advertise how long you can leave the cap off. We should test that. Next we have the stubby screwdriver. This is the 6-in-1. Paid $4.97 and limited lifetime warranty. That is actually very nice. Very nicely done. Four bits or 2 double-sided bits. Plus we have that wrench right there, that wrench right there, and that wrench right there. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, I think this is a 7-in-1. This is really nice. Very much impressed by this. I give this, I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10, especially for that price point. We have next, and I got these for this here. They are the 5-pack titanium coated heavy duty utility knife blades. I'm not going to open them up. but titanium coated. Ooh, check that out. Shatter resistant, increased cutting life, and fits all standard utility knives. And I paid for the 5-pack $2.48. That's a really good deal if they are in fact titanium coated, and they will last longer. Next, we have the 6-inch quick adjust groove joint pliers. Are these a Greenworks Cobra competitor? Probably not, because they are much bigger, but durable CR-V steel. Quick adjust button allows fast jaw adjustments, dual material comfort grip. Doesn't say how wide that opens up. Where is my rule? Well, let's use this here. That opens up at 1.5 inches, or a total of just a hair over 2 inches. I think that is a very nice option for EDC. Maybe a little on the big side. If we could remove those handles, that would be phenomenal. Handles feel very grippy, feel good in hand. The pliers, they grip a piece of paper. That is great. That is fairly smooth. I'm going to give this, because I'm comparing them to the Greenworks, I'm going to give them an 8 out of 10, where the Greenworks would be a 10 out of 10. Very nice, very nice. I like that. And what did I pay for that? I paid $12.34 for this here. Very nice option. Couple more items, couple hot items, I think. And we have the Milwaukee Fastback competitor right here. This is the 7-in-1 multi-function folding utility knife. And I paid $14.97 for this right here. Feels a bit heavier compared to the Milwaukee Fastback. Don't know for sure. I don't have that one available just at the moment. But let's see how snappy it is. Let's see. Easy one-handed opening, quick change blade mechanism, integrated blade storage, includes 2 blades. Functions: utility knife, bottle opener, wire stripper, number 2 Phillips screwdriver bit, 1.25 inch slotted screwdriver bit, and 1/4 nut driver blade storage. All right. Let's close up blade storage. Hey, check that out. That is nice. Nice and smooth. Not quite sure I approve of that bottle opener. I mean, it doesn't get in the way. We do have jimping up there. Check that out. But it might get in the way of your pocket. I don't know. I'm not a fan of that. It does have the wire clip right there. We do have that wire stripper right there. All right. Locking bit driver. Check that out. And there are your double-sided bits. A little greasy. And I love that locking bit driver. And we have that extra blade storage. And we got a little knife. Let's see. Press. Oh, there we go. Easy quick change. I love that. And it tells you how to do it just in case you have no idea how to do it. Warning, sharp blade. Awesome. So I'm going to give this, again, another 8 out of 10. The Milwaukee Fastback would be a 10 out of 10 in this space. And the only reason why I'm giving this a lesser score is because I don't like that bottle opener. They could have left that out. I'm almost thinking that that could be somehow taken off. I could probably cut that off with a die grinder. That is pretty nice though. $14.97. Direct competitor to Milwaukee Fastback. If you don't have a Home Depot nearby and you don't want to spend the money that they charge online for Milwaukee Fastbacks, you can walk into Walmart and pick up one of these for roughly the same price. All right, last item, and this one I'm not sure about. It might be a hot item, might be a dud. Okay, so we got the Hyper Tough 800 lumen rechargeable slim LED pocket light. Now this came in at $14.97. It has 8 modes: area high, area low, spot high, spot low, UV, turbo, red and red flash. It is IPX4 water resistant, and it is a USB Type-C with a included charging cable. And it is a nice looking flashlight. It has a pocket clip. It says area high 250 lumens, and we have area low 70 lumens, spot high 330 lumens, spot low 70 lumens. And then it gives us our run times: 5 hours on high, 13 hours on low, 2 hours and 30 minutes on spot high, and 5 hours and 30 minutes on spot low. We have a throw of 18 meters on area high, and we have a throw of 45 meters on spot high. It does include a 1200 milliamp hour lithium polymer battery. Metal case, we have that. It does have a magnetic base too. Lanyard hole. Obviously it is a non-removable lithium polymer battery. USB Type-C charging port right there, if I can get it open. One direction pocket clip. They could have done better. They could have done a dual direction, so you could throw it on your hat. All right, moment of truth. We're going to turn on the there's the red. I wonder if it is 800 combined lumens, but even the math doesn't work. Oh wow, no, that's 800. That is there is a turbo. Press and hold, and there is your turbo. That is 800 lumens. Holy crap! This is an awesome light for the money. Now if I could only figure out how to get it into UV mode. Here are the directions. Charging instructions. Okay, high mode, 1 press on off button. Low mode, 2 press on off button. Turbo mode, 2-second long press. UV mode, double press on off button 1. All right. Oh, there's our UV mode. There we go. Ooh, check that out. This is 70 area red mode. Press and hold. I am digging this flashlight. Red flash mode, 2nd press after red mode. Okay. $14.97, found at Walmart. Hyper Tough, 800 lumens, long press. Check that out. I am blown away. $14.97, found at Walmart. And it even has a battery indicator. My God. Metal case, magnetic tail, pocket clip, lanyard hole. We have the USB Type-C. We have the area light. We have the spotlight. Turbo. We have red flashing. We have the UV. $14.97. I am absolutely baffled by this. So this is definitely a win. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, folks. I'm giving it that there. So I am going to leave a link to all these items down in the description for you to take a look at for yourself. Keep in mind, I did have to go to 3 different Walmarts to find all these items. And there was actually a couple other items that I had to order, and they actually canceled one of the items, and the other item I returned. It was not an updated, upgraded version of a tool pouch, I suppose, a belt holder for your tools. All these items here on the table, $15 or less, $10, $5. That is absolutely freaking amazing in your Walmart. And again, your mileage may vary, but coming to your Walmart someday soon, someday very soon, or you can pick these items up off the website. So again, I will leave the links to all these items in the description for you to take a look at it for yourself. You can check out your Walmart or order them online. So anyhow, let me know what you think about all these items here, and leave that down in the comments below. But if you want to help support this channel, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and if you see it, hit that hype button, and whatever you want to do, I greatly appreciate. But I appreciate most of all you stopping in, checking out this video. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. I can't wait to play with this. Dragon to a beat.